Hey everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So what are you going to do? First of all, head over to your Phantom Wallet. You're going to be copying your receiving address. Let me just log into my application. Okay, so here we have our Solana. We are going to be clicking on receive, and here we have this address. So this is the most important part. You're going to be fetching your address. Now the rest of the thing is going to be pretty easy. Let's just say you do not have your application of maybe Coinbase you're going to be installing. So let me search in here for Coinbase, and just like that. And once you simply sign into your account on Coinbase, you should have your assets showing up, so you can easily send it. So you can see this is the transfer and trade showing up, and you can head over to your assets just like that, click on this buy and sell option or transfer, and that there you need to be putting your address that we just copy, and that's how you can transfer Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.